Wondering what types of apps might be useful on your smartphone as you research your genealogy? You're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lisa Liston with Are You My Cousin, and I strive to take the overwhelm out of your genealogy research. Now, before we start talking about genealogy apps for your smartphone, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button down below. That way you will not miss a single video I post here to the Are You My Cousin YouTube channel. Okay, so let's talk smartphone apps. I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite apps that I always have on my smartphone that I use when I research. But let me back up for just a second here. Now, one of the things that my husband appreciates about me when I travel is that I travel light. I can usually hop on that airplane with just my carry-on luggage and go for a week. Not a problem. And if push comes to shove, guys, I can actually do it in a backpack. I've done it. Well, I also do the same thing when I research genealogy, because when I'm out there on site, I need to be able to move from place to place. I need to be able to go from site to site, and I want to do it light and I want to do it easy. I also want to have the ability to research on the spur of the moment when I don't necessarily have a plan, but maybe I come upon something and I'm like, oh, I need to check this out right now. Maybe I'm out and about and something comes up. I want to be able to do that and do it, capture the thoughts, capture the information quickly and easily until I can get back to my office and do a full analysis. So I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite apps, but if you want more, absolutely head over to the Are You My Cousin website. The post is in the link below, the link to the post on genealogy apps is in the description below, so that you can learn more about more apps that are over there that you can learn about. My absolute favorite #1 app that I use is Google Drive. Now, this really isn't a genealogy app per se, but it is hands down the app that I use the most. I actually have it on my computer, I have it on my smartphone, and it syncs across both. And I have access to the information. It is cloud storage, guys, and it is where I run a lot of my research projects from. It is actually where I run my entire business from, and I can access it at the drop of a hat. I can work online, I can work offline, and have everything synced across. So it's very easy for me to retrieve research plans, anything, notes that I've written, things like that. I've got it right at my fingertips. So my second app that I really enjoy using and use a lot is my Ancestry app. So I have my family tree right at my fingertips. I do have a family tree on Ancestry.com, and by having that app and having the tree accessible at all times, it really saves me time, makes me efficient, because how many times do you research and you think, oh, I need to check so-and-so's birthday, or I've seen this name before. Is he in my tree already? I can't remember how this person relates into the family tree. So being able to look that up on the spur of the moment and right at my fingertips is critical. So having that app is crucial for my research, and having it on my smartphone is something I absolutely have. Now, the third app is really, I guess maybe not so much an app as a feature, is the camera on my cell phone, because I use that all the time. I use it obviously to take pictures. So if I'm out and about and I know I need, I happen upon a cemetery, as we genealogists like to do, I can take photographs right away. But I can also directly from that camera share them out to, whether it's social media, I can text it, I can upload it actually right into my Google Drive if I have a spot that I want to save it at, or my Google Photos. So I can upload it right away and have that availability there. But the other thing that I use the camera for is to take digital photographs of documents. I've been known to do that quite a bit. It allows me then to upload them to my either upload them to my laptop, or just even view them better on the phone. I can enlarge them for better viewing. So I typically will take photographs of documents as well. Google Keep is another app that I use quite a bit. Again, it is not a genealogy related app, but it is one that I have come to really like using. It's probably one of Google's lesser known apps, but what Google app is essentially a note-taking app. and it again will sync across my cell phone as well as my computer, my laptop, and I think of it as sticky, is like sticky notes. So I have various notes, like I would want to make a sticky note for something I found or a thought that came up into my head. I can put it into Google Keep and then retrieve that sticky note when I'm back in my office and need to look at that. I actually make notes at it when I'm at a conference. I'll run just a note app there as well and list out anything that comes up to mind or things I need to follow up on. I put it into that Google Keep app, and I have it at my fingertips, and then can, when I'm back in my office, deal with it as I need to deal with it. Trello is number 5. Now, Trello app, again, is not a genealogy app, but it is one that I use frequently. It is where I manage a lot of the research projects that I do, whether it's client-based or whether it's a personal research project. I'll put a link in the description below so that you can see my larger post that is dedicated to Trello and how I actually use that to manage genealogy projects. It is a wonderful thing. By having Trello and Google Drive on my phone, as well as my Ancestry app, I can actually research and not take my laptop with me on site. I can simply take my cell phone on site with me to do, and usually I have the cell phone and a legal pad, and that's really all I need when I go researching on site at the archives. So those 5 apps are my top 5 favorites. Again, if you want to find more, head over to the website, and the link is in the description below, and you'll find more apps that are useful for your genealogy research. Okay, guys, there you have it. Before you head over and start playing with those new to you apps, I would encourage you to hit the bell below, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any genealogy related videos I post here at the Are You My Cousin YouTube channel. Have a great day, guys. Bye.